Use the Cartesian plane provided to solve graphically the simultaneous equations. 2x plus 3y is equals to 1.2 and 5x plus 4y is equals to 1. To solve these simultaneous equations simultaneously using the graphical method, you're going to take the first equation, draw a straight line, then go to the second equation, draw a straight line, then the point of intersection of the two lines will give us the solution. So let's go straight to the first equation. The first equation is here. So using this equation, you draw a straight line. To draw a straight line using that equation, you need at least 2 points. So I'll choose any 2 suitable points using, because considering the graph, look at the values that are given so that you don't have very big values that will not fit there. So I'll choose 2 points. When x is 0, substitute x 0 in that equation. 2x plus 3y is equals to 1.2 and y will be 0.4. Then again choose another one. When y is 0, substitute 0 in that equation where you have y, substitute that one is 0, you get this one will be 0.6. So those are the 2 points that you're going to use. You go to the second equation, that is 5x plus 4y is equals to 1. So choose 2 points for that again. So let me choose when x is 0. When x is 0, y will be 1 over 4, which is 0.25. And then when y is 0, x will be 1 over 5, which is 0.2. You're simply substituting these values in that equation. So after getting now those points, let's go to the first line. 2x plus 3y is equals to 1.2. We plot those values. So the first one is 0, x is 0, 0.4. 0, 0.4. 0, 0.4 will be there. So 0, 0.4, that will be the point. Then 0.60, 0.60 will be here. So 0.60 will be there. So draw a straight line. Draw a straight line. You draw a straight line. And that is the line passing through the 2 points. So these are the 2 points, this one and this one. Those are the 2 points that I used here. We go to the second one. The second one is x is 0, 0, 0.25. So 0, 0.25. So 0.25 is located between, exactly between 0.2 and 0.3. That is where we shall have 0.25. So 0.25 will be located around there. So it will be here. So 0.25 will be there. Then 0.20, 0.20 will be there. So 0.20 will be there. So now draw straight line. Straight line. Straight line passing through those 2 points. So those are the lines. So the first line here, the first line is 2x plus 3y is equals to, so these are 2x plus 3y is equals to 1.2. And then the other one is 5x plus 4y. 5x plus 4y is equals to 1. Now look at the point of intersection of those 2 lines. This is the point of intersection. So let me read the point of intersection. The point of intersection is here. This is the point. So that is the point. So I will try to, so that is the point. So let me drop straight down and then so that I can read the y value and the x value. Like that. So this is the point. So I want to read let me read the coordinates of this point. So the x value is given here. The x value, we are going to read it here. So what is the size of one small square? 1 centimeter here represents 0.1. So 0.1. So one small square will be, we divide that by 5, and this one will give 0.02. So one small square is 0.02. And therefore, this is a 1, 2. So this is a 0.2. Then there are how many squares? 1, 2. So 0.04. And then this one is almost 0. It is not yet at 0.06. And so we can add 0.0. Is it 2? 1. Can add at least 1 there. So this will give 0.25. Because as you can see, it is not yet at 0.26. So this is 0.22, 0.24, then 0. It is somewhere there. So we are doing some estimation. So 0.25. Then the y coordinate, you read this y coordinate. So we have how many squares? 0.5. So 0. So we add 0.5, you add 0. So how many squares are here? 1, 2. This is 1, 2, 3. So those are 0.06, because one small square is 0.02, so there are 3, so that would be 0.06, and then we can add 1, so 0.01. The other one is just estimating because it is not exactly at 0.08. So 0.2, 0.4, 0.6 exactly. It is okay. So this will give 0.57. So now we have the x coordinate of the point of intersection, which is 0.25. Then the y coordinate is 0.57. And therefore we have solved the equation, the coordinates. If we were to give the coordinate of this point of intersection to be 0.25, 0.57. So the x value is given there, the y value is given there. So that is how you're supposed to solve that.